filming on this. Oh my gosh. You excited, Sam?
So excited.
New cred? Have fun. Tell me how it is.
I'm gonna wait for you.
Snoopy, get out of here! Howdy, folks. Station Master Wendy's Van Hill here. Welcome to Snoopy's Racing Railway. While on the Vigo Express, please remain seated facing forward in an upright position with your back against the seat back and hold on until the train comes to a complete stop. Please keep all parts of your body inside the rail car at all times. Thank you and enjoy your ride. Great work, everyone! We helped Mountie Charlie Brown put some bad birds behind bars. When the ride comes to a complete stop, push up on your lap bar and exit through the gate. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day at Canada's Wonderland.
Was it fun? It was good. Thanks again.
So what'd you think?
4 to 5 stars for a family lunch.
Wow. Okay.
It was pretty good. It was very slow.
Which is to be expected.
You like go through this little thing and there's like stuff.
Again, it's not backlot, obviously. But
And it is very, very slow. But it's adorable.
yeah.
It's adorable.
And it's a cred.
And it's a cred. I got a new cred. What am I at now? Like, it's still a very low number. 69.
Okay.
Oh, 69.
That's not too bad.
Are you gonna try to find a kid?
I thought the kid enjoyed it and wanted to ride again, but I guess we'll try it and attempt. I don't know. All right, well, we'll see what happens. That's Sammy's review of Snoopy's Racing Railway.
Sure is.
And you enjoyed yourself?
I did.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm glad. All right, we'll see what happens later. Be sure to rock on and ride on.